Today, the Indiana State Supreme Court heard arguments in Richard Allen's civil case to bring back his old defense team. Allen, you recall, is accused of killing teenagers Abby Williams and Libby in Delphi back in 2017. Presiding Allen County Judge Fran Gull removed his defense attorneys back in October after sensitive case information was leaked to the public. Now, Allen says he wants Gull removed from the trial and he wants his old attorneys back. We sent Fox 55 Brianna Bias to Indianapolis to sit in on today's hearing. She is live from the Indiana State House with us right now. Bree, what were the main arguments on both sides of this?
Well, today it really came down to whether or not the justices believed that Allen County Judge Fran Gull had just reasoning in removing the original defense team. Now, Richard Allen's attorneys today argued that it's actually Gull's constitutional obligation to abide by whoever Allen wants as his representation in court. It's called the right to counsel of choice. But today, Gull's attorneys argued that she should get to choose whoever steps into her courtroom and how those court proceedings go. You may remember that Judge Gull removed Allen's defense team after crime scene photos and sensitive documents were leaked to podcasters last year. Gutwein says the team was ineffective in defending their client, but the Supreme Court justices questioned whether effectiveness even matters in this case if Allen has the right to choose his own defense. And Indiana public defender Bernice Corley argues it doesn't matter. She says Allen should get to choose his own representation, whether Gull approves of them or not.
I think what is important is that the independence of counsel be protected and that counsel not be removed from a client who wants them, absent any proof or evidence of conflict of interest, and that was not present here at all.
But Gull's attorneys say they actually don't have to prove that Allen's original attorneys were ineffective, just that they might become ineffective one day. They say trial courts like Gull's have a wide latitude of jurisdiction, and she had the right to remove the defense team. However, the justices ended up disagreeing with her and reinstating the original defense team in Allen's case. They say that this is a really complex issue, and it took a lot of deciding, but they ended up siding with Allen and reinstating those original defense attorneys. Now, one question that's still a little up in the air right now is how those attorneys are even going to get paid. They were originally public defenders, but so far the government hasn't committed to continuing to pay their salaries. So are they going to go pro bono, or is Allen just going to pay them out of his pocket? So far we have not gotten a straight answer from attorneys yet, but we'll continue to update you on this development both on air and online at WFFT.com. Live at the Indiana State House in downtown Indianapolis, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.
We'll see how this turns out. All right, Bree, thank you for that live report.